Hi all, welcome back our next video of this chapter 2 long and short. This is a video 2. We are discussing the topics are express in meter or meter and centimeter, express in kilometer and meter, express in meter and some word problems. Okay. So, word problem also we are discussing in this video. Okay. So, express in meter or meter and centimeter. It's 5 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So, its centimeter is given. Express in meter or meter and centimeter we can express. So, how we can express this? Is 500 centimeter, that means 5 meter. How we can get the answer? That is 500 divided by 100. In numerator and denominator both have 2 zeros, we can cut it. We get 5 divided by 1, its answer is 5. So, when we are convert centimeter into meter, divide the number of centimeter by 100, you will get the answer. In this case, we can write meter and centimeter because it's 40 centimeter. 50 centimeter, we can write it half meter, but here 40 centimeter, we can write it in meter and centimeter. So, 240 centimeters, 200 we can convert in meter, that is 2 meter. So, 2 meter and 40 centimeter here. In this case, that is 3 meter and 75 centimeter. Okay, one more we can do it here. So, 750 centimeter. So, half meter, how we can express half meter? Half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. So, here 50 centimeter we can write it 7.5 meter. Clear? So, other 2 questions do as a homework. Okay, only 2 more questions are there in this section. You can do it yourself. Clear? So, we are moving to the next topic. Express in kilometer. So, in the first video, the first page, measurement of length, after there is one box is there. I already said study it well. So, we are discussing in that section. So, 1 kilometer equal, I will remember that. Do you all remember? Yeah. So, 1 meter is equal to 1000 meter, 1 kilometer. So, then half kilometer means it's 500 meter. Then 3 by 4 kilometer is equal to 750 meter. Then one more is there. What is it? Yeah, 1 by 4 kilometer equal, how we can express, that is 250 meters. So, study this one. Okay, we can express this 5000 meter. So, meter converted to kilometer, how we can do the calculation? Number of meter divided by 1000. So, here 5000 meter. So, 5000 divided by 1000. So, in numerator, denominator both have 3 zeros, cut it, then we can write it 5 kilometer. So, how we can express here? 2500. So, 2000 we can write 2 kilometer, then 500 meter here, that is half kilometer. So, we can write it 2.5 kilometer. Okay. In the section 3, C to 1, 3750. So, we can write it 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay. So, do other 2 questions yourself. Okay. So, we are moving to the next section. Express in kilometer and meter. Express in kilometer and meter. So, kilometer, meter, in the previous page I already wrote here. So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, half kilometer is equal to 500 meters. Same things we are discussing here also. So 4275 we can express in kilometer and meter. How we can express? Yes, 4000, that means 4 kilometer and 275 meter. Okay, in the next 7 kilometer, yes, 7 kilometer, and how much meter is there? Balance is 325. So 325 meter is left. Okay, here one more we can do it, other two you can do it yourself. So 7 kilometer and 210 meter. So do the other two questions yourself. Then express in meter. Express in meter. So all of you study that tables, otherwise you can't do it yourself. Okay. So 5 kilometer, how we can express? So kilometer converted to meter, how we can do? So number of kilometer multiplied by 1000, we can convert that into meter. Clear? So how we can express 5 kilometers? That is 5 into 1000. Answer is 5000 meter. Okay, this is kilometer. We converted the kilometer into meter. Okay, then 2.5 kilometer. So half kilometer is 500 meter. So 2 kilometer is 2000. So 2500 meter. Here also the same, you can do it yourself. Then 9 3 by 4. 9 3 by 4, how we can express? 750. So 9750 meter. Okay, do the next one yourself. Clear? Okay, fine makale. Then the last section of this chapter, a word problem. Okay, so the question, read the question. Rakesh walked 530 meters from his house to the market and back again. What distance did he walk in all? So Rakesh walked 530 meters from his house to the market and back again. So how we can express this statement? Distance from house to the market. House to the market. Market. What is the distance? That is 530 meter. So he back again. So distance from market to house. Distance from market to house. Here nothing is changed because when we are going to that same path, that is same distance. He came back again, that means same distance, 530 meter. What is the question here? What distance did he walk in all? So how we can express? Total distance he covered, right? So we can write total distance Rakesh walked. Rakesh walked. So how we can find total? Means it's a addition. So add that answers in the working column. 530 plus 530. In the ones place number, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. So how much distance he walked? 1060. How we can express in kilometer and meter? 1 kilometer and 60 meter. Clear? Okay, Makala. So we can move the next one. Sushmita jogged 5 times around a park that had a path of length 400 meter. How many kilometer did she jog? Okay. So here what is the 400? The distance of the path. Okay. Distance of the path. We can write it. Distance of the path. That is 400 meter. So Susmita jogged 5 times around the park. So number of times Sumita. Number of times Sumita jog. That is 5 times. Okay. So 5 times, that is answer 400 multiplied by 5. So 5 4s are 20. So 2 0. Then how many zeros are there? 0 0. So 2000 means 2 kilometer. So have you clear this? So I hoping have you understood today what I am taking. So take care, makale. Have a great day. Bye bye.